Oh my god, guys. We just saw the most disturbing videos of all
One guy wants screwdriver.
time. That is, who does one guy, one jar?
Alright,
Oh
we're
my
gonna
god.
show you our second reaction because we didn't watch the whole video yet. We just watched part of it.
I'm not watching that, I'm sorry.
Here, we'll do my reaction to it. I'm gonna get on here called like Best Shockers or something. Oh god, this is really, really nasty.
Ugh. Oh wait, you gotta go past me. Wait, it won't work because lips.
Okay.
Take it off.
Oh no. Oh my god.
So we're going to watch one guy, one screwdriver. Oh, here it is. Okay, put the headphones in.
No, these are just.
Alright.
Oh wait, it doesn't even have any sound. Doesn't even have any.
Ew.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's bleeding. Ew. Ew.
I'm sorry, you gotta turn it off.
You just gotta let it.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Ew. Ew.
Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
Ew. Ew.
Turn it
Ew.
off.
Ew.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Ew. He's showing a pile of blood.
Turn it off.
Dude, this guy is creepy. Ugh. Oh, that was really, really nasty.
Oh my god.
Blech. Oh my god.
Oh my god, my acne's clearing up. Anyway. Oh my god. The most disturbing thing. Why do people not from Since India? Oh my god.
I've seen lots of these videos and they're really lasting. Like, 2 guys, 1 horse. Like, what? Why do you want to get raped by a horse? Like, what's
And
the problem?
that guy died later on. Because, you know, the horse's dick was like this.
Yeah, it was like too big for my hand. It was like as long as my arm, pretty much.
It literally was, no joke.
I heard it like went up into his intestines. Like it went up into his like what's it called?
Small intestine?
Yeah, it went up through his small intestine.
That's
Oh.
nasty.
Oh, my small intestine hurt.
Layla, don't ever say that again.
Okay, anyways, see you guys later. Bye. Comment, subscribe, whatever you want. See you later.